Welcome to ST Academy. Today we are going to discuss about TSAP Intermediate Exams 2021, Mathematics 2A Inter Second Year, important questions of VSQs for 2 marks. The link for LAQ and SAQ has given in the description. You can check the all important LAQ questions and SAQ question in the link. And today we are going to discuss about the 2 marks questions. So before going to start the video, I would like to tell you, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Students, we are working hard only for you. We are making all the important questions. I request you, please like, subscribe and share the video with your friends, those who are writing the Mathematics 2A exams. Let us start the video. If you see the first chapter that is common for both the state TS and AP, complex number, write the conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2i minus 3i. Write the multiplicative inverse. Z1 is taken, Z2 is taken. You need to find out the value of Z1 by Z2. Z1 by Z2 is given pi by 5, pi by 3. You need to find out Z1 plus Z2. Next is x plus iy equals to cis alpha into cis beta. Then find the value of x square plus y square. If a plus ib square, ib whole square equals to x plus iy, find the value of x square plus y square. These are the another next question is given. Write the following complex number in the form of a plus ib. First, second, third. These are three very important questions for bid number 7. Let us go to the bid number 8. Well, write the multiplicative inverse of the following complex number. 3, 4. Sometimes they may ask you to find out the multiplicative inverse of 3, 4. Sometimes they may ask you sin theta, cos theta. Sometimes they may ask you 7, 24. Sometimes they may ask you minus 2, 1. Find the square root of minus 5 plus 12i. Find the square root of a complex number 7 plus 24i. If z is given, show that is square minus 4z plus 13 equals to 0. Let us go to the next chapter, that is the De Moivre's theorem. I have given 7 VSQs for De Moivre's. Very important VSQs. Practice this VSQ, that definitely fetch you maximum marks for both the states TS and AP. The first question is given ABC is a triangle, S is given, Y is given, find the value of x, y, z. Next question is 1 omega square are the cube roots of unity 1. Find the value of 1 minus omega plus omega square whole power cube. Next is third question, fourth, fifth, sixth, same question, but the values are changing for omega. You need to plus or you need to multiply, find out the value. The last question is a very important question, seventh question, x cube x power 6 plus 1 by x power 6. This is a very important question. Let us go to the next chapter. It is a very important chapter, quadratic expression, that gave you maximum marks in your board exam. If alpha and beta are the roots, find the value of alpha square plus beta square. If alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c, find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are 7 plus or minus 2 under root 5. Next, if the equation x square minus 15 minus m in the bracket 2x minus 8 equals to 0 has the equal roots, find the value of m. At the same time, they will tell you the equal root, sometime common root, to find the value of p. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus b square, find the value of 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Next question, if x square plus bx plus c equals to 0 and have common roots, show that b plus c plus 1 equals to 0. If x square minus 6x plus 5 and x square minus 3ax plus 35 have the common root, find the value of a. If the equation x square plus 2ax plus b equals to 0 and x square plus cx plus d equals to 0 have common root and first equation have equal roots, then prove 2 into b plus d equals to AC. It's a very important question. Next chapter is very important chapter, theory of equations, that fetch maximum marks for both the state. The first question is what? Find the monic polynomial equation of degree 3 whose roots are given. If minus 1 comma 2 comma alpha are the roots of equation, then find the value of a. If 1 comma minus 2 comma 3 are the roots of the equation, then find the value of a. Same like this, alpha beta is also there. Next, the questions are very important questions. Sometimes they will give you 4 roots, 1 comma 2 comma 3 and 4 are the roots, then find the value of a, b, c, d. algebraic equation whose roots of 2 times and sometimes 3 times reciprocal negative is given. Next is find s1, s2, s3 for the equation 8x power 4 minus 2x cube minus 27 square plus 6x plus 9. Solve the equation, one root being 3. If alpha, beta, gamma are given, you need to find out what is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. Next is summation of alpha square plus alpha square into beta square. Next question is permutation and combination. Very important chapter that give maximum most of the questions that come for VSCQs from this chapter. Very important chapter. Check the questions. The first question, I have given here, but the last question some value is missing. You can check in the reader. Next is the all question for permutation and combination. The top one is all permutation VSCQs. Next is combination VSCQs. Very important VSCQs. Practice this, definitely give you good marks. Find the number of ways of selecting 4 boys, 3 girls from a group of 8 boys and 5 girls. Find the number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants from a letter of the word equation. Next is, in a class there are 30 students. Each student play a chess game with each of the other students. Then find the total number of chess game played by them. Find the number of positive divisors of 1080. Next, find the number of diagonals of polygon with 12 sides. Last question, very important question. This year we are expecting this question to become in an exam. Find the number of ways of arranging 5 different math book, 4 different physics book, 3 different chemistry book, such that the books of same subject are together. Let us go to the next chapter. Binomial theorem. I am telling to the AP student that binomial theorem is deleted for you, so don't practice VSCQs from the binomial theorem. TS student, this is very important for you. 7th term, 6th term is given, and the valid and invalid ranges are also given. Largest binomial coefficient of expansion is given. Find the coefficients by using this. Next is independent of x in the expansion. The first one was largest binomial coefficient and the coefficients of this, and next is independent of x in the expansion. Middle term is a very important question. These are very important. Practice this question, that definitely give you good marks in your exam. Measures of dispersion. This year so many things has been deleted from this chapter, but at the same time for 2 marks this is very important chapter that gives you good. If you know just mean deviation about mean and mean deviation of median, just practice this, the 2 marks is in your pocket. Next is last chapter, random variable. Most important and most important chapter is, if mean and variance are given, find the value of p of 1 less than x, x less than equals to 0. Next, average rainfall question. Binomial distribution, mean and variance is given. First 2 terms of the distribution. In a city, 10 accidents take place in a span of 50. This is very important. Poisson distribution problem. Next is Poisson variable p of x equals to p of x equals to 1, x equals to 2, find p of x equals to 5. Poisson distribution, very important question. Most of the time examiner asks this question. Then mean and variance 4 and 3 is given, and find the value of NP. The last question, that is the probability that a person chooses at random is left-handed is 0.1. And what is the probability that in a group of 10 people there is one who is left-handed? This is all about all VSCQs question for both the state. I request the students practice more and more. Share the video with your friends, those who are writing. Help. Sharing is the caring, guys. This is the high time. Start practicing. Practice more and more. If any queries, any doubt regarding any subject, please write in our comment. We will try our level best to answer you. Thanks for watching, and the LAQs and SAQs questions are given in the link with the blueprint, and the model paper is also given in the description. Check it, try it. If any comments, if you have any doubt, let us get back to us. We will reply you. Thanks for watching.